30 minutes until the morning huddle. The shift handover. Level 1 of the Pharma Tier Board. First on the agenda, a potential problem on the shop floor. A spill recorded in Shiftconnector. The problem is automatically elevated to Tier 2. Shiftconnector, a digitalization platform used by global pharma manufacturers, helps communications flow consistently between operators in the clean room, control room, shift management, and the quality and maintenance departments. Shiftconnector users also report better on-time delivery and the prevention of nonconformities. Operators can access easy-to-read charts and dashboards that create audit trails, show priorities, and serve as a single source of truth, creating greater clarity for all teams. The result? A significant increase in such key KPI categories as safety, quality, and production. Instead of tiered silos, brief, focused meetings are digitally connected to manage bi-directional information flow across hierarchies. In turn, issues are resolved faster, quality is maintained, and productivity rises. Shiftconnector is committed to one goal: helping you achieve a seamlessly transparent organization that is highly productive and innovative. That's why Shiftconnector makes sure there is clear escalation of issues from the bottom tier to the top and a corresponding cascade from the top tier downward. Because Tier 5 decisions need to be translated tier by tier to be understood by all. From the clean room to the production area to operations, Shiftconnector's digital tools help pharma manufacturers stay GXP compliant and create a trouble-free plant. Are you seeking to improve communication at your pharma facility? Visit us at shiftconnector.com for a free demonstration and let the power of digitalization work for you.